How to fix application hang detected error in Fortnite. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you need to go ahead and tap on the search bar and then simply search for run. And once you search for run, you want to go ahead and type in percentage local app data percentage and then tap on enter. Now once you're done, simply tap on Fortnite game. And once you tap onto it, go ahead and tap on saved. Now from here, simply select config and simply delete config. Now once you delete the config, head back to your home screen and then open up your Epic Games. Now once you're inside the Epic Games, simply select library and you'll have to make sure you have Fortnite in it. So go ahead and tap on the three dot beside Fortnite. And once you are here, simply go ahead and tap on manage. Now inside the manage section, go ahead and tap on verify beside verify files. So go ahead and verify and see if that works. If that does not work for you, what you can do is launch Fortnite and then go into your graphic settings and change the rendering mode to either DirectX or DirectX 11 or any of those and see if any of those work. Now lastly, if none of these work, what you can do is simply do a clean reinstall. So click on this three dot and then simply tap on uninstall. And once you uninstall it, you want to go ahead and reinstall Fortnite. And you can also try launching it as an administrator and see if that works. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.